The demands on today's traffic management systems are growing fast. Cities need safer intersections, road authorities need better data, and everyone needs solutions that are easier to deploy, easier to maintain, and compliant with strict privacy regulations. Traffic systems only work if they work every day, and that's where the Quarterhill Icoms TMB product line delivers real value. TMB products deliver consistent multi-lane detection and traffic data in real operating conditions, day or night, rain, snow, fog, or heavy traffic. Plus, unlike camera-based systems, TMB products are radar-based, thereby anonymizing data. So, you get the information you need without the cost and overhead of processing images. At intersections, the TMB13X supports precise detection, virtual loops, and bicycle recognition, helping traffic control systems respond faster and operate more safely. To further simplify deployment, the Icoms Hub acts as a smart intersection gateway, connecting up to 4 TMB13X radars and delivering a single Ethernet output, ready for cloud processing through Quarterhill or the customer's own platform. The result is cleaner integration, easier remote support, and lower long-term ownership costs. Because today's traffic management agencies don't need more systems to manage, they need results they can rely on. Icoms, and it's always green light.